It's super insane, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it totally for free. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited COD points on Call of Duty Mobile. So as you can see guys, this is the game. I'm going to open it up right here and show you guys. So as you can see, I do not have a lot of COD points, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited COD points. So I'm going to turn it up all the way. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your device for iOS and Android where you can get unlimited COD points. So let's just see what happens. So as you can see, it is not going up, but hopefully it does start working. So let's see what happens. And as you can see guys, it is going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for iOS and Android. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited COD points. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser, and I just want you guys to type in the website tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site guys, you're going to see all these apps. So just type in Call of Duty or something, and you can see it came up. So go ahead and press install, and this will start installing the mod. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, you can see it's loading up right now. So we'll just let it do its thing, and then we're going to see what happens to our account. So as you can see guys, we have the Apple and Android logos right there, so it does work on both. So we're just going to let it load. So as you can see guys, it's going to say missing files, additional files are required. So what you want to do is download 2 of these apps to finish it. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So you just press continue, and then it takes you to the app store, and you just got to play through it until you reach level 10 or whatever. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Obviously guys, they're not all going to be games, but you just want to make sure you do 2 of them. You're going to be all set. So as you can see, I just play through this right here until I reach level 10 or whatever. So pretty simple. And then you just want to go back to the list and download more of them. So you can see TikTok down the run for 30 seconds, Mode Casino, follow instructions on the next page, which are to install the app and open it. So overall guys, it's pretty easy. So if you guys want to get free COD points, be sure to try it out. So if you go to the search bar and type in COD, you guys can see it's really expensive. So as you can see, if we come down here to the in-app purchases, it's very expensive. So if you guys want to pay for it, that's up to you. Personally, I wouldn't do that, but make sure you go to settings and you got the background app refresh turned on. This is very important. But other than that guys, you should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool guys. And it totally works. So if you guys want to get free COD points, definitely try us out. It's a 2026 method. And yeah, you don't have to jailbreak or anything like that. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is fully working tutorial. So you literally just got to download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and we're going to be good to go. You can see they got the video right there. So yeah, you're going to get unlimited COD points. So yeah, this is super cool. So as you can see guys, look at that. So be sure to try us out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. And subscribe to the channel guys, because I am looking for ways to get free COD points in 2026, and now I got the method. So I'm going to share it with you guys, but be sure to try us out. Hope you guys enjoyed. It fully works guys, 2026. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.